All knowledge that the world has ever received comes from the mind. The infinite library of the universe is in our own mind. Swami Vivekanand. Book name Chetan, Achetan or Super Chetan Man. Conscious, subconscious and superconscious mind. Book introduction. Are you confused? So, to what exactly is conscious, subconscious, and superconscious mind? Well, the book being presented will not only answer these queries but will also take you through a tour of various dimensions of human mind and psyche. For all those who are keen to know more on human psyche, this book will present a very comprehensive outlay while keeping the reader enthralled with surprising facts about mind. The book is divided into three sections: conscious, subconscious, and superconscious mind, through which the author gradually uncovers the mysteries of the human mind. Most of us are unaware that we have infinite possibilities within. Our subconscious mind plays a big role in shaping our conscious mind as habits, tendencies, memories, past life impressions, that is sanskar, etc. are stored there. Whatever we do that seems involuntarily comes from our subconscious mind. This book tells in detail how one can use one's subconscious for one's betterment and get rid of bad habits and tendencies. By using our superconscious mind, we can develop our conscious mind into its most advanced developed stage. Did you know that purity and love are the key ingredients for development of superconscious mind? So, in a nutshell, if by doing through the book, the reader is able to understand how each and every possibility of development is so very possible in this human life and it is in reader's own hands. The author's objective of writing this book will be achieved, which the writer reinforced through various examples of great personalities who have used this understanding of mind to achieve greatness, prosperity, wisdom and progress in life. Readers will enjoy this book thoroughly, and it is one of those books which is so hard to put down as so many secrets about one's mind are revealed at each and every step. Few excerpts from the book. Every tendency is harmful if it is not controlled. Take for example, sexual desire. Sexual desire is a natural tendency for animals. It is given to them so that the race of the animals continue. For humans, it is important too, so that offspring and love and cooperation continues, but when this sexual desire is uncontrolled, it is bad for the family and the society in general. It is bad for physical and mental health of individual. You cannot achieve anything without a healthy body and a strong controlled mind. Till we do contemplation of what we have read, it does not make any drastic impact on us. So, if we want to improve our intelligence and develop our mind, then read less and contemplate more. For example, read for 5 minutes and contemplate for 10 minutes. Your personality depends on your thought process and your character. Service and selfless work is the main ingredient that makes a person attractive, not just in one life but in many lives. A person who walks on the path of ideals and who plays active role in social service always shines, and his or her attraction never fades. Few topics covered in the book: the subtle energies that affect personality, the foundation of self-evolution, the potential of a progressive mind, the attainments of superconsciousness, only our soul is spread everywhere, understand the potential of the subtle body, the thirst of the soul and quenching the same, knowledge of the self.